Today's video is going to focus on the sign finish. I'm going to show you how to use it to complete an action and also how to use it as a conjunction. The sign finish can be used signifying the completion of an action. You would sign it before or after the verb. Here's an example. I ate the vegetable. So let's break this sentence down. I is going to be the subject, eat is going to be the verb, and vegetable is going to be the object. So when I sign this, I would make sure I sign it before or after the verb eat. So let's do it before the verb. So when I sign it, I'd say, I finish, eat, vegetable. And then I can point back to I. Now let's do it after the verb. I eat, finish, vegetable, I. Either way is fine. The sign finish can also be used as a conjunction. Usually you use it that way if you're linking sentences that have some type of order or time sequence. And when it's used that way, it's going to mean and then. So let me give you an example. I'm going to throw out 3 sentences and we'll link them together. The first sentence is going to be, yesterday I played basketball. The next sentence is going to be, I drove home. And the last sentence is going to be, I showered. So let's link these sentences together. I'm going to start off first with the time indicator, yesterday. Yesterday, I played basketball, finish. I drove home, finish. I showered. Now, if I were to interpret that, I would say, yesterday I played basketball, and then I drove home, then I showered. So let me sign this again a little bit more smoothly. Yesterday I played basketball, finish, drove home, finish, I showered. Just as simple as that. You're using it to link these sentences together, and the meaning is, and then. Before I complete this video, I do want to say I recently went to the California Deaf Conference at the Rock Church up in Sacramento, and I got an opportunity to meet some of my followers. I do want to say how thankful I am and how humbled I am. You had such kind words, and I do want to just say thank you, thank you, thank you. In this video, I've showed you the sign finish, how to use it to complete an action, and actually how to use it as a conjunction. If you've learned anything from this video, please do me the honor, hit the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.